Hey there, it's time for another
Devlog. 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 Devlog.
Hey there, welcome back to another devlog. Lots of changes since the last time I shared my progress. We now have shadow mapping, materials mostly sorted out, and have extended the road and added some buildings. My progress on the game front is a little slow, but I think now with these systems in place, things should move a little faster. Should being the key word here. A little bit of a sad update. Maggie, the dog featured in the intro, sadly passed away. Mourning her has been a little distracting. It seems like in ways she has always been there throughout my game development journey. Please join me for a brief moment of silence for Maggie. That's all for now. Thanks for stopping by and hope to see you again soon.